a local car?
Orange. Red.
I wasn't lockpick. I'm cleaning, you know?
Yeah.
I'm cleaning.
That you're a dumb clown. You wanna know something?
Not as dumb as you, cow Brad.
Hey,
Here,
you're
let
a
me clean
stupid
your
clown.
car because you can't drive.
No,
Let me
no,
clean
no.
it up.
Get away from my
Let me
car.
clean.
Get away from it.
Let me clean the car.
Clown spit all over.
See, that's how you handle cow Brad. You see that?
Ah, shit. I don't think this is a local.
All right, guys. I ain't gonna lie. I'm trash. Here, somebody else needs to do it.
Or just get the other one.
Oh, it's a two-seater.
Wait, hold on. Wait.
Why you scared? Why
There's
you
something
scared?
wrong.
Oh, I'm not scared. I just fidget.
You nervous? You nervous? Why you nervous?
Oh yeah, I just fidget a lot. That's all.
Oh shit! You see that?
Oh my god, I'm shit too. Hold on.
You got this, Annie. You got this. Yeah, we're professionals, you know what I'm saying? We've done this before.
Oh my god, I'm already sleepy.
You wanna try? You wanna try?
Oh, I can
You
give it
can
a
try,
shot.
it's easy. Wait, where's my... You have the lock.
Let Mr. A try it.
Oh, let's give it a go.
Oh my god, I'm getting old.
Jumps around.
Can't?
Alright, here, let me try again, man. Let me try again. Oh, you
What
did
the
it!
fuck?
Oh! Wait, you have to do it again, though. Nah,
Yeah.
You have to do
You have
it
to
again.
lockpick it again. So we can lock it.
Yes. I put it in the glove box
Wait, let
for
me-
you.
Wait, I cannot...
You're in the back seat.
Go.
Damn! Good shit, Albert. Oh my god, you're a legend.
How I give you keys? I'm not a very good driver.
Just, you know, just your first finger and just like throw the keys at me and at her. Yeah, just like that.
Hey, Paf, you